In this video, I'm going to show you how to add LuxAlgo to TradingView. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, so LuxAlgo.com. You want to create an account or sign in if you don't have one account yet, and then just click on the library button at the top over here. And then in here, you can find, of course, all the different indicators that they have. Just make sure that platform is TradingView over here, and then go ahead and just find your indicator. So for example, here I have a search already, so I can go ahead and, for example, search for, I don't know, maybe like the fair value gap, and it's going to basically find a bunch of different things. Just find the indicator you want, and then click on it. So let's say I want, I don't know, this one. And then over here, you want to scroll down a bit, and then you'll be able to see it's going to say TradingView and then Get Access. Just click on the Get Access button, click Get Access again. And then here it's going to pop this up inside TradingView. Just make sure you sign into your TradingView account or create one if you don't have one yet. And then you can add it to favorites over here. You can view the source code and the chart over here, so what it looks like. And then just click on Use on Chart. It's going to pop up a separate chart here, and then on here you'll be able to view that specific indicator that you selected, and you can go ahead and see it here on the chart. You'll be able to go ahead and change it. So for example, if I go and click on my indicator here, if I go to settings, I'll be able to set different settings here, and sometimes if it doesn't work, you may want to go to your object tree and just put it on top of your chart, and then you'll be able to, of course, see it. Okay, so that's pretty much how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.